Well, for this week's Weather-Wise segment, I wanted to go over our atmosphere. Now, our atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the Earth and consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and argon, carbon dioxide, and other trace gases make up the remaining 1%. Now, layer-wise, the first layer of our atmosphere, that would be the troposphere. It extends from the ground up to about 5 to 9 miles above the Earth. Now, all of our weather occurs in this lowest layer, and it's also the densest portion of the atmosphere. Quick tidbit, Mount Everest's peak is just about at the top of our troposphere. Now, next is the stratosphere, which goes from about 9 miles high to 31 miles above the Earth's surface. This is where the ozone layer is, and temperatures actually slightly warm through this layer. After that is the mesosphere, which ranges from 31 miles above Earth to about 53 miles up. The air becomes very thin here, and this is actually the area where meteors burn up upon entering our atmosphere. And then next is our thermosphere. That extends up to 372 miles above the Earth. Now, this is the layer where the International Space Station and satellites would orbit, and it's actually pretty hot up there. Now, the heat in this layer comes from extremely low density of the molecules with high energy. Now, these molecules have high energy, and the temperature can reach up to 2,700 degrees, but you would not feel it on your skin because the air is not dense enough. And the exosphere, that is next, and it goes all the way up to 6,200 miles above the Earth. This is the extreme edge of our atmosphere and has a very low density of molecules. Of course, space is then next. Now, I wanted to show this temperature map with the layers in the atmosphere. As you can see, the temperature inversion changes, those different directions and lines, that's when we see those different layers in the atmosphere. And yes, that's right, the air actually does warm in the stratosphere and in the thermosphere.